All right, guys, quick update. Looks like we have another release here. Octane Blender for 26 point add-on 26.3, 31.8 for Blender 5.12. This add-on is compatible with Blender 5.1 and previous Blender 5.0 and 4.x releases are not supported. This version works on vanilla Blender 5.1.2 that you can download from Blender. There, let's jump down to some changes here. Extended support for Blender 5.12 supports different radiuses when the radius attribute is not available in point clouds. Updated Octane setup assets and performance assets. Fixes fixed frame number issues in exported scenes. Fixed classic pass results. Fetched errors during animation rendering. I might have to take a look at that. Fix crashes with switching render engines. I used to have that issue because when I would switch from Cycles to to Octane, sometimes it would crash. I would just turn off the render and then switch, and I never had that issue anymore. But that's cool. They fixed that. Fix color wrap messages. Bus crashes during real-time preview. Never had that. And minor bug fixes here. You can read more about the new features of 2026 here. Again, here are the availables. You just download regular Blender, and then you grab for the paid members, Studio Edition allows you to use multiple GPUs. Prime Edition is free, a single GPU usage only. So other than that, let's see if there's anything at the bottom here. Nope, there it is. So take a look at this. I did not know, and today's the 14th, and this was released on, I think, the 8th. Yeah, June 8th, so I'm a little bit behind on that. Other than that, hope you guys enjoy. Got any questions, check a link, comment down below. And yeah, peace. See you on the next video coming shortly. See ya.